Okay, so today we will learn how to extract a text from a line of text and then replace the same text from the previous column using matching. Okay, so what we are going to do, this is a one column which contain the serial number CP001, and every column has the same serial number but in a different format. So this, look at this, the serial number S.R.N, but here you don't have any, here you don't have any look at this. I just want to what I want, like, look at this. This is a serial number and this is a serial number. This is serial number is different from this serial number, right? And this is another serial number which is different, and same like there is another one serial number which is all which is totally different from these serial numbers. So I want to extract this serial number into a column here and want to replace the same serial number from this column, main column. So that is our task. So period, before that I would like to tell you something. If you want to go to select a column, you need to have square brackets and name with name of the column. If you want to select a row, you need you need to use curly bracket along with the zero and serial numbers. So this is our task, so it will be used in this function. So let's start now. So come to the our table, this one, this is our table. So this is our table, so you just directly right click and get it into the table. And or if it is not in the format of table like this one, so convert it to range. And if you want to convert all the text like this one, what I'm telling is this one, this is a, it is in a text format. So so you just go to right click and click on it, it will automatically select. Okay, this is the one method. You just click and it will go directly to the Power Query. Okay, number one method, just go and discard. Okay, and just remove it. Another method is just go to data, go that one, other blank query. But previous to go with this one, you have to just to hold on. You have to convert it into the table first of all. So you just select the table, press Ctrl L, and select my table as a header, and it is okay. Now press Ctrl Shift L to remove the Ctrl Shift L remove for removing the filters. Now you can go data, other data, blank query. Just write hash shared. Just hold on. Shared small letter. It will give you all the functions in this Power Query. But before that, I have to I need to go to settings and click on Power Query. I just want to select this never detect the column types headers so that it will not get any additional change column type step here. So now I got all the functions here converted into table. Just go and select Excel, and you got the Excel functions only. Now I will select this function. Just click on this function and you will get this table here directly. All the step is automatically done. This one, you need to click on this. Look at this. This is our Windows and right arrow. Windows right arrow, it will align left right side. So this is my table, and the name of the table is table 3. This is the content, this one, and this is the table. Okay, so just click on this table, you will get the table. Okay, now I have to split this uh, parenthesis. It is a opening parenthesis, so we have to split by this one, right? So I have to split it using a function. Either you can, of course you can use this method. Okay, look at this. I I just want to this one, but the problem is that it will split in this column wise. Okay, but I don't want columns. I don't want columns, right? I want a list, a column list. So I just go custom. So just type split, just write split by parenthesis. Just it is just a name. So double click on this asset. Now type text split. Click on this, make it open, close, and the name of the splitter, it is this one. Opening parenthesis. Just type this one split and just click on this. This is what I want. Okay, the list of tables. So just go look at this. There is one parenthesis. This is another parenthesis. So it will give me the three list. One, this one, two, this one, three, this one. So it's a list of parentheses. Now I will just go to expand to the new rows. It will, this is our table. It is a one row, one row. Only I have a one row. So I need to have, I need to like this one. So there is a one, two, three rows. This should be come to the three rows. This three rows. So just click on expand to new rows, and you will get the, look at this. This is a one row, but you will get half of this and half of this. Look at this. So it will give me a two rows, but split it into one row and second row. If you have a three rows, then that means one row, second row, third row. So one, two, three is there. One, two, three is there, right? One, two, and three is there. Now I want to split it again with the basis of closing parenthesis. Same like earlier function, I will use same like you can. Of course, you can use here also. You can you can use it. This one text dot split question mark, and now this time I will split from this function and just press. So this is our function, but there is an error. So just hold on. I will not, I want to split it, and I want the list. So now this time split by closing parenthesis. Now my function name, my next name is this one. So text dot split, click on the parenthesis. Now I want to split using closing parenthesis. Now this one, and click OK. Now I got the another list. The another list is for this one. This I'm splitting this one, so I give me a one, and this one also one. So I just want same like because we have did previously, expand to new rows. Now I got this one. So I got this does not contain the closing parenthesis. That means it will give me the same data. This will give me the, it is remove the closing parenthesis, and this is not there, so it will remove. So blank cells. So now what I will do, I will select all the contains. I will just go to filter and contain. Go to advanced mode. Okay. Now you have selected the function filter name. Look at this. This is our function filter name. Sorry, column name is split by. Split by is my column name. Split by is my column name, which contain S, which contain R, which contain NO. So that is what my plan, which contain S, capital S, then AND, which contains R. I just want to filtering and removing this other text, accept serial numbers. So filtering another one, add one more for NO. Just click on add close, and now contain, and oh, now press OK. You filter it out. Now you got the serial numbers. Okay. 9. Now second task is I want to remove these serial numbers from this one, and I want this one also, this one also, right? That means I have to replace this from I want to replace this column from this column. So just for time being, I'm just removing it. Serial assets, I'm just typing assets, and I will giving it the replacer. Replace. Okay, but I want to replace including parenthesis. I don't want serial number and W. I want to replace parenthesis, opening parenthesis to closing parenthesis, opening parenthesis to closing parenthesis. I want to replace this function, this text. So remaining text should be in this particular column, like this one, right? I have removed it, and remaining function should be in the set column. Right. Now I have to add some parentheses again, opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis into this one, right? So how to add how to add this one, just for a moment I'm just telling you. So I need to add parenthesis back because we have removed the parenthesis. So now I have to add back opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis into this one. All right. So and this should be another column, right? So one thing just I want to, okay, just leave it, and then I will remove all this text from this column. So I have to add this one. So another way to add this is go to column from explanation. I have selected this column. I have selected, just select this column and go from selection. Okay, so you got the serial number of this one. Actually I have selected this one, so I select this one. So now I have to go. I will just type this one, opening parenthesis, then s dot r space n small dash space cp dash 001 and close it. Now just click outside somewhere, so you will get the all the column like this one. So don't use unnecessary m codes. Just click on OK. You will get the edit column like this one. Now I got this. Just type replace. Okay, replaces already. Sorry. So just type serial numbers. Okay. Now I will take replace. Okay. Now I got opening parenthesis. Nice. Now I want to replace this function, this value to this one. Okay. So for doing this, there is no any UI user interface to do this, but I will tell you the easiest way to do this. I want to replace all this text from this column. This replace should be this replace this replace this replace this, and so on, right? That is my plan. I just want to remove these columns, unnecessary columns here. Okay, okay, that is my plan. So I just want to give up, I want to create, just right click on this one and replace value. Okay, now I will create a dummy function. I will replace a with replace b. Okay, just click. I have get this function. Now I want to replace each column, right? So you just type, this is old value, right? So I told you how to get column. So you just go to each and column name, sets, right? And b, I don't want any b here. I just want to replace, I just want it blanks, right? So just remove it blank and just click on this. Just hold on, we have mistake. Sorry, I just made a mistake. Just right click on this one and go to replace value. Actually I made a mistake. This is old value, that means this value, old value, and new value will be blank. So I just click on this. Now old value should be old value. If I want to go row wise, you have to use each function always. If you want to go calculation row wise, then you have to use each function. Each. Now old value is should be replace. So just go and replace. Type it replace. replace. Now it is okay. Now just remove it, and this will remove all this one, right? Now I don't want this function, and go and close it, load it. Now I got data. So I have removed all the separate out all the serial numbers from this data, right? This is my data here, and this is my old data. This is my old data, and this is my new data. So look at this serial number is this one, right? So you can go with this one, right? So that is one approach to do this. Okay.